Today we are in an apartment which has 4 flats. It is located in T.Nagar Chennai. Here they are facing yellow water problem, which is known as iron water problem, and also hardness in the water. So what we have done is, this is the overhead tank which is placed on the terrace. So these are the 2 lines which is coming from bore as well as some. What we have done is, the water whichever going to the overhead tank, we have diverted it by putting the valves in center of the pipes, and we have diverted that line to the aeration tank. So whatever the water which comes, it goes through the aeration tank first, and then it process through the filtration system, then it will come back and join into the overhead tank lines. Done bypass lines and valves here. So now let's go and see what we have done after the aeration system and before the aeration system. So this is the line which is coming from their overhead tank to the aeration tank, and this is the aeration tank. And before going to this aeration tank, we have installed a chlorine dosing system. Why we have installed this? Because here in this customer's place, the iron ppm is more than 3 ppm, which is very high iron in this area. So usually iron won't get settled down in 8 hours of settlation aeration process in this place. So we have made a chlorine dosing system here. So whenever the water is getting pumped through the bore motor, at that time automatically this chlorine dosing system will turn on. This is the chlorine dosed water inside the drum. So automatically this chlorine dosing system will pump the chlorine dosed water inside that bore line. So this is the vibration which is pumping up. So we can adjust the frequency of the dosing water. So only after doing this, the water is getting collected in the aeration tank because of the more accuracy in results. So this is the line which is coming from the chlorine dosing system. So the water is getting sprayed here and settled down using this aeration concept. So even after chlorine dosing system, aeration is must. And after that, we are taken line from the half feet above the ground level from the aeration tank. So it is being sucked by the half HP motor, and from that half HP motor, the water is getting pressurized and being passed through the 2 iron removal plant filtration systems and 1 water softener plant. See here, everywhere we use only 2 systems for the iron removal process, because only then you will get more crystal clear appearance of water. And also we give 10 years of warranty for filtration media inside, because we split the medias inside which we put. All the 3 valves are Rungsen valves, and it has been manufactured in German. So this is the German make. So only after removing the iron, the water is being processed to the water softener system. Here we have used a proven concept called using salt regenerate the water. So this calcium magnesium in the water will be replaced by sodium ions, which is we putting the salt inside this brine drum. So this is the brine drum, and from here the water, dissolved water of salt, will be going inside the water softener. To mix the salt in the drum, we have placed the tap so that easily it can be dissolved by using this water. Customer do not need anyone to pour the water inside the drum. So all the backwash lines from the 3 filtration cylinders is connected to each other, and then it is being run backside of this tank, and from that tank we have connected the drain line to the same pipeline, and then it is being left into the drain area. So like this same, what we have done is, all the treated water line is integrated with each other, and then it is coming as a single line. So this is the treated water line which is going to the overhead tank. In that overhead tank, crystal clear water and softened water is there, and from there the whole house is getting iron free and hardness free water. Customer is really very happy, and he's so satisfied.
And this is the raw water which comes in actually, and after treatment, and this is the water, you can see the difference. Thank you so much.